Mom, I'm hungry. What's for dinner? Mom, I'm hungry. What's for dinner? Dad, can you pick me up later? Dad, can you pick me up later? Don't tell Mom, okay? Don't tell Mom, okay? Stop touching my stuff! Stop touching my stuff! You promised you'd help me. You promised you'd help me. Come on, let's watch something together. Come on, let's watch something together. I didn't do it, I swear. I didn't do it, I swear. Can I borrow your charger? Can I borrow your charger? I'll do it later. I'm tired. I'll do it later. I'm tired. You're so annoying sometimes. You're so annoying sometimes. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. I'm not a kid anymore. I'm not a kid anymore. Let's grab some snacks. Let's grab some snacks. I called you like 5 times. I called you like 5 times. Dad, can you give me some money? Dad, can you give me some money? Turn off the light when you leave. Turn off the light when you leave. I can't find my phone again. I can't find my phone again. Stop yelling. I can hear you. Stop yelling. I can hear you. Do you want to go out later? Do you want to go out later? You owe me one. You owe me one. Chill out. It's not a big deal. Chill out. It's not a big deal. I already told you. I already told you. Don't blame me. It's your fault. Don't blame me. It's your fault. Let's just order pizza. Let's just order pizza. I'm doing my homework, okay? I'm doing my homework, okay? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm not in the mood to talk. You're late again. You're late again. I cleaned my room. See? I cleaned my room. See? Leave me alone for 5 minutes. Leave me alone for 5 minutes. Stop using my shampoo. Stop using my shampoo. You said we'd go shopping today. You said we'd go shopping today. I'm starving. I'm starving. Dad, I think I lost my wallet. Dad, I think I lost my wallet. Mom, I can't find my keys. Mom, I can't find my keys. You never listen to me. You never listen to me. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I didn't mean to break it. I didn't mean to break it. I'll be home soon. I'll be home soon. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? You always take forever to get ready. You always take forever to get ready. That's not fair. That's not fair. I'll do the dishes tomorrow. I promise. I'll do the dishes tomorrow. I promise. You're being dramatic. You're being dramatic. It's not funny. It's not funny. Thanks for covering for me. Thanks for covering for me. Don't touch my food. Don't touch my food. I'm so tired of this. I'm so tired of this. Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? Love you, Mom. Don't worry about me. Love you, Mom. Don't worry about me.